Domex was started in 1982, and we were one of the first companies that really got into the used parts and components market. And we kind of took off globally, starting to buy equipment and sell major components to mining customers, whether they wanted a good used spare component or whether they had a failure and needed to replace a component. We were a valued option for them. Our focus has traditionally been on haul trucks and dozers, number 1 and number 2. We do electric wheel motors, final drives, transmissions, cylinders, all major powertrain components for mobile mining equipment, whether it's Caterpillar or Komatsu. So our traditional offering could be either new surplus, rebuilt, or used parts. We often have customers approach us looking to sell surplus assets. Oftentimes mines will have a parked truck or a fleet of trucks, dozers, graders. We're always interested to hear what they have. Our parts yard is roughly 100 acres. We've been acquiring equipment for over 40 years now, so we have a lot of inventory here. We also offer good used parts, which would mean when we buy a piece of equipment, truck, dozer, grader, etc., we always get the maintenance history and we try to document how many hours those pieces have. If we get a low hour final drive or a transmission, our guys in the shop will go through it, inspect it, clean it, paint it, and we'll offer it with a limited warranty. And that seems to be a good option for customers. I think customers like to work with us specifically because we're a cost savings alternative. We take pride in our work. We stand behind what we sell. Ultimately, giving the customer what they want is our number 1 goal. If the customer asks for a used part, we try to give them a used part. If they want rebuilt, we try to do that. But basically, we're not trying to sell them what we want to sell them. We're trying to give them options that best suit their needs.